Hey guys, this is Framer Dive. Let me show you in under 3 minutes how I created this amazing website. The website is remix.supply/unlimited. You can check them out. So this is my Framer dashboard where I did the work. Let's dive right inside the project. This is a hero section which has a very nice popping highlighted headline, as you can see, which actually grabs the user's attention very nicely. And we have a button component here. As you can see, when I hover inside, there's a nice change in the colors, and also the text comes in and out. This is achieved through a nice component which has an hover effect where I hover inside. There's that effect, very nice. And then this is a very common thing you'll see in websites where there's a video that actually identifies or showcases the product. This is a video that is used to showcase the product of the website or what this brand specifically is selling. As you can see, when you put in videos, make sure you also put some overlays. So as here, I added an overlay which is right behind the text, which actually makes the text pop up. And this is a very interesting part also. As you can see here, we have nice cards, but what actually makes this stands out is the images itself. So the image looks like they're getting outside the card, which is a very interesting concept where it gives it more live and more oomph and more feel, and it actually captures the attention of the user very nicely. We also have other images here which are very nice, pixelated and popping colors. And also, yeah, so that's very interesting. So as we get to this other section, as you can see, this is a very interesting part. Actually, this is the best part about this website. We have, as we scroll here, we have uh, a sticky section on the left, and then as we scroll, the sticky section changes into different emojis and different words. So here, as you can see, it's built for solopreneurs, and then as you scroll here, it's built for freelancers, and the emojis are also changing depending on the specific message on the right. This is achieved through scroll variants. This has a scroll variant which actually changes depending on the trigger section. So from here to here is a section, and it's also a trigger. From here to here is also a section, which is also a trigger. As you can see, when I land in that section, there's a trigger. Yeah, very nicely smooth and very nice. If you wish to learn more about this, I suggest you just look for some resources about scroll variants and trigger sections, which you're really going to understand this in a more deeper way. So yeah, there's also a nice subtle effect. As you can see, when I get out of this area, there's a fade out effect. This is also achieved with the same idea, but now this is opacity from 1 to 0. Yeah, so very nicely. We also have a very nice created card here where there's a card and it has a text, but as you can see, the images looks like they're floating on top of a smoky section. So how did I achieve this? This is from here to somewhere around here. There's a frame. So the frame basically has a linear color fill where the top part is set to opacity 0 and the bottom is set to opacity gray, which actually matches with the card. So it kind of gives this a very nice subtle effect and create this smoky section and a very smooth transition from the image to the bottom of the card. This is replicated in every single card here. This other last section, we have the pricing section. If you can look at it very closely, the cards look like they're going up and down. This is achieved through the effect section where the specific effect is a loop effect. There is an up and down feel, as you can see. And specifically, you also want to set the effect to a mirror effect, and it's going to come like this. And also, of course, you offset it by a certain x degree, sorry, not xy degree, and it gives this effect. Yeah, so that's it for today. I hope you learned something, and happy building. Thank you.